Hey there! I'm diving into the magic of communication today. Ever felt like you just can't get your point across? Or maybe you find it hard to tune into what others are saying? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're unlocking your communication superpowers. First up, listening. Yes, it sounds simple, but listening is about more than just hearing words. It's about understanding the emotions, the pauses, and the unsaid. So next time someone's talking to you, really focus. Nod, maintain eye contact, and reflect back what you've heard. This doesn't just show you care, it helps you truly get what's being said. Now, let's talk about speaking. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Your tone, your pace, and even your volume make a huge difference. Want to sound more persuasive? Slow down a bit. Need to show excitement? Ramp up your energy level. And remember, clarity is your best friend. Keep your words clear and your points sharper than attack. But hey, communication isn't just verbal. Your body talks too. Non-verbal cues like gestures, facial expressions, and posture can say a lot about your confidence and intent. Standing tall with open gestures can express openness and confidence, even if you're feeling a bit jittery inside. And lastly, the superpower of feedback. It's a two-way street. Not only should you be open to receiving feedback, but learn to give it constructively. Frame your feedback positively, focus on the behavior you'd like to change, and always offer a solution or an alternative. This turns a potentially awkward conversation into a growth opportunity. So start practicing these skills every day. Whether it's chatting with a friend, presenting in class, or just ordering your favorite coffee, every interaction is a chance to polish those superpowers. Remember, great communicators aren't born, they're made. And you're on your way to becoming one. That's it for today. Tune in next time for more tips and tricks that'll help you navigate the world more effectively. Until then, keep practicing and keep communicating.